How to go live on TikTok. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to teach you how you can go live on TikTok. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So before going live on TikTok, the first thing you need to understand is you need to meet certain criteria of TikTok that gives you that option of live. So first thing is you need to have at least 1,000 followers, because if you have 1,000 followers, it unlocks the feature called live. So once you have that criteria meet up, you can tap on this plus icon in the bottom and go to the normal section of where you usually record a video. And once you do that, in the bottom, you can look up for the live option like this. You can swipe right beside the templates. You should be finding a live option. So just go ahead and tap on it, and when you do, you will be given this option where you can go live. So before going live, you can follow up the settings like adding beauty effects and different settings applicable. So you can use that option. Once that is done, just go ahead and tap on this go live option, and once you do that, you will be live on your TikTok. So that is it for now. That is how you go live on TikTok, following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.